So somebody, excuse me, somebody had to do it. I am the chosen one.
What's up guys, welcome to Drift Style UK's YouTube channel. Today we have got into the shed not only the 350Z, but we've got our Mark 1 Fiesta and we have Turkish's E36 that we are going to be completely blowing apart and rebuilding. For the 2025 season, this is going to get a complete works. It's been sat around for far too long, it was like an abandoned vehicle, and blow it absolutely apart for its rebuild. Sort the bodywork, the height, and make it absolutely sick. So now it's time to get some love. But first, can we cue in Ollie AKA Turkish? So, Turkish, my main compadre, he's going to be blowing the car apart with me, aren't you, mate? You're well looking forward to this, so we're going to teach him about cars along the way. So I'm going to be getting into the car with Ollie right now, and we're going to be taking everything off today. So we have stripped the Z. It's got all the side skirts off it, bumpers, headlights, bonnet, bumper, lights, everything stripped off the back of the car. We're going to have to change a few bits before we do the bodywork, but essentially, yeah, the whole complet's done, isn't it, mate? Ollie did a cracking job, it was super good, and Ollie AKA Turkish, everyone knows him as Turkish. We now need to get a front wing because that one's really dead. We need a headlight because there's all sorts of weird buggers inside it, mud and whatnot. This car used to be used as a teaching car. They used to use this at a, it wasn't so much a practice car, but it was a car that people used to go and learn how to drift at a drift place. Covered in cooking oil, dirt and all sorts of shat, so we've been cleaning all the front off as well. It's had a really big smash up the arse, so we're going to sort that out next. We've got a port power, so we're going to push all that out, and then yeah, we're going to over fender it, kit, side skirts, new, everything. So if you want to follow the journey, keep on following, like, subscribe, and we are going to be super busy with it. As you can see, look at these hands, my hands, we've been at it. It's Sunday, it's peeing down with rain outside. I think it's time we went home for a roast, didn't you? Well done, Dave. You did well. And we'll see you on the other side for the next video. Alright?